Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you've been craving a stylish home makeover but you don't want to spend hundreds on custom curtains or wrestle with a sewing machine, this video is for you. Today I'm walking you through some of my absolute favorite DIY no-sew curtain hacks. These ideas are renter-friendly, budget-friendly, and beginner-friendly. Whether you want a cozy farmhouse vibe, a chic modern look, or something whimsical and colorful, I've got a hack that'll work for your space. Grab a cup of coffee, maybe a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to totally transform your windows without sewing a single stitch. So let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the easiest upgrade ever. Iron-on hem tape. If you've ever bought curtains only to realize they puddle 2 feet on the floor, or maybe they're just a smidge uneven, hem tape is your secret weapon. Here's how it works. You fold your curtain to the desired length, slip the tape between the layers, and run a hot iron across it. In just a few minutes, you've got a neat, professional-looking hem that'll hold up wash after wash. Here's a pro tip. Measure twice before you cut or fold. I always pin the fabric first, stand back, and make sure the length feels right with my furniture and decor. For a chic designer vibe, let your curtains kiss the floor instead of dragging. Next up, let's talk about clip rings. Honestly, these are life-changing for DIY curtains. If you've ever bought fabric that you love but had no idea how to hang it, clip rings save the day. Just grab your fabric, clip it across the top, and slide the rings into the rod. Boom! Instant curtains. You don't have to sew rod pockets or grommets. Plus, the clips naturally create soft vertical folds which look polished and high-end. Here's a style tip. Use a set of 9 to 10 clips per panel. Too few and your fabric looks droopy. Too many and it looks stiff. The sweet spot gives you those effortless designer pleats. And the best part? You can swap fabrics seasonally. Light cotton in summer, cozy velvet in winter, without buying new curtains. Plain curtains can be beautiful, but sometimes you want a little personality. Enter fabric glue. It's the easiest way to upgrade affordable curtains into something custom and luxe. Grab a spool of decorative trim, think pom-poms for a playful kids' room, velvet ribbon for a rich modern look, or macrame fringe for a boho vibes. Use fabric glue to attach the trim along the edges or bottom hem. Let it dry overnight and voila, designer curtains on a budget. Here's one of my favorite budget-friendly secrets. Tablecloths as curtains. Tablecloths already come in big sizes, gorgeous prints, and best of all, they've got finished edges. Instead of spending $50 to $100 per panel at a home store, pick up a couple of tablecloths for under $20 each. Use clip rings or curtain hooks and suddenly you've got one-of-a-kind window coverings. What I love about this hack is the variety. You can do florals in the spring, plaids in the fall, or crisp white linen for summer. And since they're so affordable, you can swap them out as often as you like without the guilt. Another brilliant hack is using painter's drop cloths. You can find these at hardware stores for around $15. And once you wash them, the texture softens into something that looks surprisingly expensive, like restoration hardware level expensive. They're naturally neutral, so they fit into the farmhouse, modern, or minimalist styles. But you can also get creative. Try dip dyeing the bottom for an ombre effect, or stenciling a pattern for a subtle design. Drop cloth curtains are durable, timeless, and give you that effortless, laid-back vibe that's trending right now. If you're renting or just don't want to drill holes into your walls, this hack will be your favorite. Use command hooks to hold lightweight curtain rods. Stick one hook on either side of your window frame, slide in your rod, and you're done. It's totally damage-free and perfect for apartments or dorms. Just make sure to choose hooks that can handle the weight of your curtains. Here's a style tip. Pair this hack with shears or lightweight cotton panels. Heavy velvet or lined drapes may be too much for the adhesive hooks. Want that dreamy layered look you see in designer homes? You don't need a pricey double rod. Just use a tension rod behind your main curtain rod. Place your sheer curtains on the tension rod, then your heavier drapes on the main rod. When you pull everything together, you'll get that layered depth, soft sheers filtering light by day, cozy blackout curtains by night. It's the perfect combo of function and style. Sometimes the best curtains aren't curtains at all. They're scarves, shawls, or even lightweight blankets. This hack is perfect if you want a romantic boho vibe. Just drape your scarf loosely over a rod or clip it up for a more structured look. You can even overlap two different scarves for a mixed pattern, eclectic feel. I love this in bedrooms or creative spaces where you want softness without formality. Here's a bonus hack: tea towels as cafe curtains. For kitchens, bathrooms, or smaller windows, tea towels make perfect curtain panels. They're already hemmed, lightweight, and easy to find in fun patterns. Hang them with clip rings or a cafe rod and you'll get that breezy European cafe look instantly. One last tip: don't be afraid to layer textures. Even no-sew panels can look luxurious if you mix linen with velvet, cotton with fringe, or sheers with solids. This is what gives high-end designer curtains their wow factor. And the best part? You can achieve the same look with budget-friendly fabrics and these hacks. And there you have it, 10 no-sew curtain hacks that prove you don't need to sew a stitch to get a stylish, cozy, and totally personalized home. Whether you're dressing up a living room, bedroom, or even your kitchen, these hacks will save you money while making your windows the star of the room. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who loves easy DIYs. Let me know in the comments which hack you're going to try first. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.